Luxury indoor courtyards and gardens, elevate your home with nature-inspired design. Introduction: the appeal of indoor courtyards and gardens. In today's fast-paced world, creating serene and tranquil living spaces has become a priority for many homeowners. One of the most beautiful and innovative ways to bring a touch of nature indoors is through luxury indoor courtyards and gardens. These nature-inspired designs not only elevate the aesthetic of your home but also promote a healthier, more balanced living environment. In this video, we will explore how indoor courtyards and gardens can transform your home into a luxurious, nature-infused sanctuary. So, if you're an architecture enthusiast or someone who loves unique design ideas, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Let's dive into the world of indoor nature. The history and evolution of indoor courtyards. The concept of indoor courtyards dates back to ancient civilizations where homes were often built around a central, open-air courtyard. These spaces served not only as a focal point for social gatherings but also as a way to improve ventilation and bring natural light into the home. In modern architecture, this idea has evolved, with courtyards becoming luxurious indoor spaces that offer a private retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Today, indoor courtyards and gardens are popular in both residential and commercial architecture, blending modern design with the timeless appeal. Bringing the outdoors in, the benefits of nature-inspired design. Nature has a profound impact on our well-being, and incorporating natural elements into our homes can significantly enhance our quality of life. Luxury indoor courtyards and gardens provide a way to enjoy the beauty and tranquility of nature without stepping outside. These spaces can improve air quality, reduce stress, and create a calming atmosphere. Studies have shown that being surrounded by plants and natural light can boost mood and productivity, making indoor gardens not just an aesthetic choice but a lifestyle improvement. Designing your luxury indoor courtyard. When designing a luxury indoor courtyard or garden, there are several key elements to consider. First and foremost is the layout. Indoor courtyards can be incorporated into various areas of the home, from the living room and kitchen to hallways and bedrooms. The choice of plants is also crucial, as they will be the focal point of the space. Opt for a mix of large, statement plants and smaller greenery to create a lush, layered effect. Additionally, water features such as fountains or ponds can add an extra touch of luxury, creating a soothing, zen. Selecting the right plants for your indoor garden. One of the most important aspects of creating an indoor courtyard or garden is selecting the right plants. Not all plants thrive indoors, so it's crucial to choose species that can adapt to the environment. Some popular choices for indoor gardens include ferns, palms, and succulents, as well as flowering plants like orchids and peace lilies. When selecting plants, consider the amount of natural light the space receives, as this will determine which plants will thrive. Additionally, incorporating a variety of textures and colors can add visual interest. Incorporating water features into your courtyard design. Water is a powerful element in design, and incorporating water features into your luxury indoor courtyard can elevate the space to a new level of tranquility and elegance. From sleek, modern fountains to natural-looking ponds, water elements create a calming atmosphere and add a sense of movement to the space. The sound of running water can also serve as a natural stress reliever, making your home feel like a private oasis. In this section, we'll explore different types of water features that work well in indoor courtyards, from minimalist designs to more elaborate setups. The role of lighting in indoor courtyard design. Lighting plays a crucial role in the overall ambience of your indoor courtyard or garden. It's not just about illuminating the space, it's about creating a mood and enhancing the natural beauty of your plants and other design elements. During the day, natural light is ideal for showcasing the vibrant colors of your plants and creating a connection to the outdoors. At night, soft, ambient lighting can transform the space into a cozy, intimate retreat. Consider using a combination of overhead lights, floor lamps, and accent lighting to highlight different features of the garden. We'll discuss how to use lighting to integrating furniture and decor into your indoor garden. Furniture and decor are important components of any indoor courtyard or garden, as they help to define the space and make it functional. When selecting furniture, consider pieces that complement the natural aesthetic of the garden. Materials like wood, stone, and metal can create a harmonious balance with the greenery, while comfortable seating areas can encourage relaxation and social interaction. Additionally, adding decorative elements such as sculptures, lanterns, and vases can enhance the luxurious maximizing space, small courtyard and garden ideas. Even if you don't have a large home, you can still create a beautiful indoor courtyard or garden. Small spaces can be transformed into lush, nature-inspired retreats with the right design approach. Vertical gardens, for example, are a great way to maximize space in smaller homes or apartments. Hanging plants, wall-mounted planters, and tiered plant stands can create a green oasis without taking up too much floor space. In this section, we'll share some creative ideas for designing indoor courtyards in small space. Conclusion: elevate your home with indoor nature. Luxury indoor courtyards and gardens are more than just a design trend, they represent a lifestyle choice that prioritizes health, tranquility, and a deep connection with nature. Whether you're designing a new home or looking to renovate, incorporating an indoor garden can elevate your space and transform it into a luxurious sanctuary. From choosing the right plants and water features to creating a cohesive design with furniture and lighting, every element plays a role in bringing your vision to life. If you enjoyed this video and found it inspiring, don't